Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn how to make the fondant toppers of this cute anniversary cake. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, comment on this video and share it with your friends and family. So let's get started. I use the metal ruler to cut the sides of the calendar straight. I have used edible black powder color along with a little bit of Evaporex to write on fondant neatly. I'll link all of these things in the description box below. Hope you like this tutorial. Subscribe to my channel for more such tutorials and recipe videos. Also like this video and comment on this video. Share it with your friends and family. See you soon.